international broadcast station of the Presidential Broadcast Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services. And daily from 0200 to 0330 UTC through the following shortwave frequencies: 12.020 megahertz, 15.640 megahertz, 17.665 megahertz. PBS, Radyo Pilipinas World Service serves as a bridge on air, delivering timely news, information, and public service. PBS, Radyo Pilipinas World Service, bringing Filipinos across the globe closer to home. PBS, Radyo Pilipinas World Service expanded its online presence. Besides our shortwave broadcast, PBS, Radio Pilipinas World Service can also be heard via live audio streaming. Just download eBox ABS receiver on Google Play Store from your Android phone or via App Store from your iPhone. You can also watch our broadcast via Facebook and YouTube channel. Just type in and search for Radio Pilipinas World Service. Radio Pilipinas World Service, the international broadcast station of the Presidential Broadcast Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services, bringing Filipinos across the globe closer to home. Radio Pilipinas, Radio Publico. Radio Pilipinas, Radio Publico.
Napapanahong impormasyon, kami ang iyong gabay.
To offering a monetary reward for information leading to the arrest of former ACOM Bicol party list, Representative Zaldico. In a press briefing, Presidential Communications Office, PCO Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Pierre Castro said the administration has not yet discussed a plan to offer a bounty as authorities continue efforts to verify his reported presence in Portugal. Castro, however, acknowledged that the proposal to offer a cash reward for ghost capture is a good suggestion.
Sa ngayon po, wala pong napag-uusapan sa ganyan. Pero since narinig po